guys, welcome to the channel. Today is a second day of this thing we call racing. We are testing today and also working on the second motor, the spare motor, in case we need it. So right now it's breakfast time. Look at these two guys having breakfast over here. Ha!
Breakfast.
I got my cappuccino. Look at that, they make a little heart for me.
It's not a heart, it's a leaf.
It's a leaf. Wait, it's not a heart?
It's like zip ties.
Okay, it's a leaf.
Zip tight.
Zip tight. So I'll see you guys later.
Wait, zip ties.
Zip tie. Zip tie.
Zip ties.
Zip.
Zip ties. No tights. No tie.
This reminds me of the time of the timing chain.
I figured out all South Americans, they say zip ties.
It's zip tie.
Even Chris Landis' girlfriend, same thing.
Zip tie.
Zip ties.
Zip ties. All right. Zip tie. Timing chain.
Change.
Here's the engine. This is the engine. How?
This is the engine. This is Danny.
Yeah.
Well,
Danny don't want to be in film, so we're not filming him.
Yeah. Dude, what are the parts? Here?
This is
Any
spring.
ها؟
No, شنو أي parts؟
سبرينج بس نبي احط ال 30,000 هاك حط هذا.
No, these are the sensors.
Okay, what is the 30,000?
هذا مال منو؟ يوسف هذه قهوتي؟
Dude, what the ينفع احط لك ريس.
Small engine. This is 17, right?
Yeah. It says your name.
Hey, what do you know? All right, so this engine is ready. In case we have any problems, we can just replace it. So
Just
we are okay.
Rockers.
Yep.
Cam gear. Put it in. Finish.
Put it in.
Even the sensors are on there.
Yep.
Shaft, everything. Cool.
Cool. All right, so now we find out that there's a little exhaust leak on the turbo kit. So we're gonna replace the turbo kit. Saud has a spare turbo kit
Coming. Brand new.
coming. Hopefully it will be here. So we're gonna take this turbo kit out and replace the whole thing. So let's see what we get.
This is 2 years old.
Yeah, it's time. I mean,
This is
so that's what we're doing right now. So.
Take it out. Finished.
And just like that, turbo case out. Man, you did an amazing job with this. This is
Simple,
unbelievable. I know. Everything is in here.
All right, leak. What is that?
So we're changing the timing
On the cam.
on the cam, and
Advanced, retard. We'll
Yes.
play with it.
yeah, because the difference of salt water and fresh water.
Yep.
So pretty much the whole setup changes from country to country. Water, we pay attention to those details that you might say, oh, yeah, it's 100 RPM, 50 RPM. 50 or 100 RPM matters when everybody is really, really good. And all these people that are here racing, this is the best in the world. So we have to pay attention to every single detail. So just playing with the timing now, it makes a difference. So here we go. So this is something you never see, especially in the States. When you need a seat made, you take it to the upholstery guy. Well, in Thailand, the upholstery guy comes to you. Isn't that interesting? Huh. No words. You were doing something, you were saying something. What were you saying? Yeah. Legal. Alright guys, today is Thursday and I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of where everybody is at least the people that are staying in this hotel room. So this is the parking lot of the hotel room. And this is our box where our Jetski came in. This is everybody. Here's Malti, this is his workstation here.
No, we can wait till you get down.
You know, everybody got issues and stuff. I mean, it's almost never a nice and trouble-free race week. There's always something going on, and it's pretty cool, you know, that people just, you know, they just work with what they got, you know. We didn't bring a lot of tools, and sometimes we gotta go and borrow somebody else's tools, and it's kind of cool.
هذا النيسان يسوونه.
Having fun?
Yes.
So this is pretty much everybody that is here, and like I say, everybody's very friendly, and that is pretty cool. All right, so we got the new turbo kit. Looks exactly like the other one. Well, that one's in pieces. So we'll try this one. This one's a little bit different. You added this piece here, right?
No. It's just it's machined the housing
here.
and all that, and this piece, yeah.
Yes. Added this piece so everything just goes into place, and the manifold was
It's machined for this.
machined for that.
Yeah.
So that's the big difference, and we want to try that.
Hopefully no leaks.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah. Where is this one?
Wait, I'll slide it. Okay, we go in with the back. Hold the turbo. It's heavy. Let's put the back to the back. The silicone in the back. Okay. Wait. Put the silicone. Make sure it's in. Is it in?
Yeah. No, wait.
Pull it out a little bit. Yeah. Is it in?
Yeah.
It's in. Even the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put the clamp.
Let's go. No, the clamp's there on the floor, I think.
صور خمس دقيقة تحتك.
We'll see what happens.
Too many buses.
No, wait.
I don't fit in there.
أظن سعودي حج.
This guy is so serious. Let's go mess with him.
علاش اجرب؟
It's good? Yeah, perfect. It fits you. So we had taken the boost controller spring like 4 times off. Can decide which one they want. Oh, wait, he don't. Oh, you don't want to be on my channel, right?
He wants.
Maybe I should do that again. How many people does it take to put a spring? Having fun? That spring is hard. It's hard.
Oh, 5, huh?
How many people? How many?
5.
And he only took you for the other one.
Yeah.
You.
Yeah.
One.
For me.
Yeah. He did the whole spring by himself. All right, so it's almost nighttime, and we got enough light that we can go test. We're testing the new turbo.
خليك شوي شوي انزل انزل شوي 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 يوسف عينك على الفيو ارجع 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 بس ستوب the response, how it's faster now.
It definitely made a difference, the new turbo. Definitely something wrong with the other turbo, so it's a good thing. No, he's gonna make his own course right now.
It's testing.
Yeah. Yusuf. We're adjusting the fuel a little bit, and he's gonna go and test again. Alright guys, so it's 12:30 at night and we're still working on the Jetski, just doing little stuff here and there, changing stuff around, and we had flashlights, our phone flashlight, and these guys, look at this, look what they brought. Especially this guy here.
He's like me, you know, only cigarette. Huh?
100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% We literally took out the motor and changed a whole bunch of stuff and got everything back in it, and we're ready for tomorrow. We're not that crazy. We are not testing tonight. He wants to test tonight, but we're not. So tomorrow morning we'll wake up and we'll go over there and see what happened. What?
You make
You okay? What you okay?
When in Qatar?
I'm in Qatar.
What?
Yeah, no good.
So
No, for this engine, no good.
I don't think we got enough oil. So Saud, I don't think that's enough oil. Maybe we can use some of this one. Hey,
ده مو
ارفعها ليش مسند هني؟
hey, it looks like
طفى الحين.
it looks like you concentrated there.
Okay.
What's wrong with you?
It's only oil. It lubricates the bottom of the jet ski. It won't get rusty.
منا حق السباق.
Working online
Yes.
all night.
And look who arrived. This is the most serious guy in the whole series of jet skis. Mr. Serious Man.
Yes.
Yes.
Only Yamaha. See?
We
Yeah. Yamaha.
we all have to behave when he comes along. he's the boss.
No. So is the boss. So yes.
No ring. What is the other one? Keep this inside. What is the other one?
Monty, what did you say?
I'm sleepwalking, you know.
So
Everything is wrong.
so you were sleeping, and then this one here turned his jet ski.
Engine on. I heard there's a problem. I came down to help. But I can't help with that things.
No shoes. Sleepwalking.
No, I know.
It takes too long time.
What time you sleep?
I sleep like 10.
And we woke you up? So how many is shouting now?
Normally it's Japanese guys in the morning 7 testing the Yamahas with straight pipe, but today's was you. No, but
And he was in the 11th floor.
He couldn't resist the sound.
Yeah.
You cannot see it with the orange.
But where is the gasket? Because I...
Fearless.